Going through the court system can be overwhelming and can take a toll on your mental health. Well, a new trauma-informed courthouse in Allegheny County hopes to ease that burden. To talk more about the project is Judge Jennifer McCrady and Judge Kim Eaton. Thank you both for being here.
Thank you. Thank you.
So what is a trauma-informed court? What does that mean?
It means to be able to meet the litigants at where they are as they're coming to the courthouse. Most of the people who are entering our courthouse have experienced some type of trauma, and so we want to be able to ease that process or just take that pressure off as they go through the different events in our courthouse. We hear lots of different types of cases, from child custody to juvenile delinquency to protection from abuse for domestic violence to child welfare to adoption. So all different things are happening in our courthouse.
So when you talk about because I know we talked the modifications or changes, did you all see the need that this changes needed to be made, or is it more one of those things where just kind of keeping up with the times?
Well, Judge McCrady worked with CMU to come up with a study, basically, and it was a great CMU study. I mean, they talked to people, said, you know, what upsets you, what do you do? Everything from the color of the building to the walls they were in. So that was our framework for doing that. And when CMU presented it to us, we were all very excited, and we clapped and we said, that's great, now how do we pay for it? And they're like, we already got the A, so you figure out how to pay for it. And so that's where mostly Judge McCrady came in, and all of it was with private money. No public money was used.
And you talk about it, and we can see just from the tangibles of, okay, this makes sense, right? This is going to make the experience better outcomes. What does that mean? What are you hoping to gain when you say, okay, we're going to change the color, we're going to add some different things, and we'll talk about those things in a minute. But what is the goal in terms of the outcome?
The goal is to give people a less stressful experience. Some of the things that we've done in the courthouse can change the trajectory of a case and make a difference for that family, to be able to access those resources right there in the courthouse rather than having to go to 4 other places to get something done, or maybe how someone appears in court in front of a judge, just getting that training, and how litigants may be if they're on the spectrum, if they're neurodiverse, if they are hearing impaired, have language access or language barriers. So all of that training was done with our judges and our court staff. And so all of that can change the trajectory of how a case may come out for a family.
Yeah, you just hear the word court. And I know you ladies are there and presiding every day. You know, for those of us who it's a strange world, and it could probably be very scary. You mentioned language barriers. Are those some of the things, Judge Eaton, the improvements? What are the specifics that have been done in these trauma courts?
Well, I think the biggest one that we got, which is wonderful, we now have a clinic in the courthouse, which is wonderful, because before, particularly for the juvenile kids that are involved in the dependency cases, you know, the caseworker would have to take them to Children's Hospital, sit out there for hours and all that. Now we have a clinic right down there. You know, I do mostly adult, I do custody. I had a case the other day where mom and dad were fighting over who was going to get the kids to get so that he could play football, and they were fighting over it. So I just said, go down, and they did his examination right there. So for the kid, he's upset anyway. It's just done and it's over. But that was one of our biggest ones. But we also have the sensory room. Yeah,
we put in a sensory room, a playground. There was already a children's room there run by the National Council of Jewish Women. We have iPads throughout the courthouse for the kids. We partnered with PBS Kids. You'll see Daniel Tiger in our waiting rooms now. Fidget toys in all of our courtrooms, noise canceling headphones, training, as I already mentioned, behavioral health supports in the courthouse, drug and alcohol supports in the courthouse, which is huge, so families don't have to go somewhere else. Those are just a few things that we accomplished, and then we did put several language access things within the courthouse. I speak cards, so if you come into the courthouse now, there's a card right there, and you can carry that throughout your journey so that everyone you're coming to knows that you have a language barrier or that you might be hearing impaired. We have kiosks and all kinds of technology changes. We redid the entire wayfinding of the building.
Well, and we're seeing some of this video here. It's amazing because, yeah, you think if you could just sort of decompress and make everything just sort of feel a little safer, a little more comfortable. You can see the turtles there. I mean, definitely I can see where that would make a huge difference. And you mentioned, this is great, kind of, not a one-stop shop. I don't want to use that, I just used it. But the fact that you don't have to go to a whole nother appointment maybe for that case, for the physical or for the next step in the court process, has to be nice to just say, we can get a lot of this done today for this family.
Yes, yes.
What about the training, real quick, too, before we say goodbye? The training you mentioned for
yes, we did
in the court.
4 trainings, mental health first aid, trauma-informed, language access, and another type of trauma training called motivational interviewing. Not trauma, but how to work with families. So not only the judges did it, but all of our court employees, our guards, our sheriffs, everybody in the courthouse was able to partake in those trainings.
That's awesome. It's wonderful. And thank you for the work you've done, obviously, to make it happen and then to kind of see it through. I know this is going to help a lot of families.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you for having us.
Still